Welcome everyone. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to manage your inventory using the app connector and item WMS. First, locate the app connector and click on it. Check which mode the warehouse is in. If it's in no warehouse mode, find inventory and click on it. Next, click on inventory adjustment. Click on new inventory at the top right of the list page. Fill in the SKU, status, inventory quantity, and other required information as prompted on the page. Then, click Save. Your inventory will be successfully updated at this point. To adjust existing inventory, click Add New. Select the SKU you want to adjust and choose whether to adjust the status, condition, quantity, or lot number. Enter the quantity of inventory to adjust and select the reason for the adjustment. Then, click Save. The inventory adjustment will be completed at this point, and you'll be able to see the adjusted inventory count. If you want to change the warehouse mode, click the app connector again. Select item WMS, choose a customer, and click Save to complete the switch to warehouse mode. Next, find Purchase in the left menu and add inventory to the product by clicking Purchase Request. Click the Add New button at the top right and select the receipt type. Choose the recipient location. In the POS system, make sure to check Automatic Receipt so that the inventory will be automatically accepted. Then click Save and continue. Select the items to be received and click Add New. Enter the quantity of items to be received. After filling in all the required information, click Save, then click the Next button. Click Skip and continue. Review the information and click Submit Request. After successful submission, click Create PO at the top right. Verify the information and click Create PO again. Find Purchase Order in the menu and click on it. Locate the purchase order you just created. Then click the More button on the far right of the list. Select Push to Warehouse to send the purchase order to item WMS. After successful submission, go back to the Inventory module. Click Get Inventory to refresh the stock. After a successful refresh, you'll see the inventory for the items you just added. Please note that the inventory push to item WMS has a processing time of 10 minutes. The inventory will be successfully added after 10 minutes. Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos for more helpful tips and insights. See you next time.